The rapid pace of change in today's global marketplace is creating an unprecedented volume of risks that are incredibly complex to manage. Organizations are hungry for talent that are skilled at knowing how to think about and manage risk, and at the same time to use data to inform strategic business decisions. Pursuing a master's in risk and analytics just makes good business sense, because you're going to be meeting a huge market need for talent skilled in risk management and analytics paired together. NC State has a global reputation for providing thought leadership both on enterprise risk management and business analytics. The Enterprise Risk Management Initiative in the Poole College of Management, founded in 2004, works with boards and C-suites, helping them understand best practices of how to navigate the complex web of risks they face. Similarly, the Poole College's Business Analytics Initiative also is providing thought leadership, working with organizations all across the U.S. and abroad, helping them take advantage of data to make data-informed decisions for their strategic best interest. So getting a Master's of Management at Risk and Analytics just is smart, because you're taking advantage of that reputation in both enterprise risk management and business analytics, all that are housed within the Poole College of Management at NC State University. Skills in risk management and analytics are just now becoming an expected core competency for anybody wanting to be in a business leadership position. Leaders are going to be expected to own and manage risk in their areas of responsibility. So getting graduate education in understanding risk management techniques prepares you for that expected competency. Similarly, businesses are looking to leaders to be smart decision makers and to use data to have data-informed decisions. So getting a master's of management with a risk and analytics concentration is just preparing you to have those competencies that are expected in the marketplace for those aspiring to be in any kind of leadership position. There are risk management career tracks: operational risk, compliance risk, strategy and innovation opportunities, as well as consulting, where there's a lot of demand for people with risk management skills that are in risk management tracks that ultimately will put you in a position to be perhaps a chief risk officer or other C-suite kind of executive. The program is structured to be fully online in an asynchronous capacity, which means you'll be able to work your way through the course material at a pace that works best in your schedule. The curriculum consists of 30 credit hours, about half in the risk management area and half in analytics, but with an integrated fashion, so you're seeing the connection between risk and analytics. Students in the program will have a number of opportunities to network with each other and with business professionals. Networking with each other through work that you do in classes and teams and groups, as well as social events that we host you here, that we invite you to, that you can choose to participate. You'll also have the opportunity to meet with a number of executives. Through the Enterprise Risk Management Initiative and the Business Analytics Initiative, we host a number of speaker series programs that our Masters of Management Risk and Analytics students are invited to attend. We believe a graduate degree in risk and analytics just makes great business sense, because it's going to provide you the core competencies that are expected for anybody that wants to be in any kind of leadership position. Having competencies in risk management and analytics just puts you in a place to be ready with the skills that the marketplace is expecting. So taking advantage of this just positions you well for all kinds of opportunities that businesses are going to have in your future.